Okay, so basically this car had an aircon problem. It had a leak. The aircon was recharged. It had a service after the condenser was replaced, and within a couple of days there was no gas in the system again. So we had to pressurize the system, see what was going on, where the leak was from, put a new condenser on it, but one of the O-rings also needed replaced, so the next time we replaced an O-ring seal that it was leaking at. And we basically just pressurized it using air and pulled a vacuum to see if there was any chance of a leak before we filled it up a second time. This may not be the way to do an aircon service, but it might help somebody out sometime. Here's a quick video doing a vacuum check, or pulling a vacuum on the AC using one of these tire valves, taking out the cord on the one that I'm using, the Schrader valve. So we used it to pressurize it to check for a leak first by connecting a pump, like a tire inflator onto here. Same idea, just goes onto that. Close the valves and we could check for the leak and fix the leak. We're actually using the vacuum of the car's own vacuum coming from the manifold to create a vacuum, to pull a vacuum. Now we're going to hold that for a while. Just thought I'd share it if somebody's looking for a way to put vacuum in the car before doing an aircon service. It's probably been done before though, but thanks for watching.